Finding the best fishing gear can be such a long task, especially since you have to pick through many choices in the market. Fish Finally is here to make your job easier. We've put together this list of the 10 best choices. We've tested each and every one of them to really make sure you're getting the best. Our list of recommendations carry only the best products of the bunch and give you a clear idea on key features. To know more about each of these, you can always check out the links we've put in the description box. Let's dive in.
The key to a successful fishing trip is having the right fishing tools. Have you tried using the best freshwater rod and reel? Would you prefer to get the set instead of buying the reel and the rod separately? We have made a video guide with the 10 best freshwater rods and reel out there for your convenience. Any one of these rods and reels will give you a memorable experience, so choose whichever one strikes your fancy.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Number 10. etacklepro Freshwater Rod and Reel. The etacklepro Freshwater Rod and Reel is the perfect choice for outdoor enthusiasts. With your purchase, you will receive the best fishing equipment in one reasonably priced set, including one telescoping fishing rod, one spinning reel, one spool of fishing line, one tackle box, 200 lures, and one carrying case. This collapsible fishing rod is exceptionally durable and wear-resistant in addition to being incredibly comfortable with a non-slip handle. It has an anti-slip ring that keeps your pole in place at the top. The reel side is cradled by a sturdy aluminum alloy with stainless steel guide rings to prevent rust and help you bring proof along with your epic catch story. The aluminum spool is layered with a protective anodized coating. It has a strong anti-reverse clutch bearing that keeps your fish on the line and prevents you from winding more than is necessary. This combo comes with a lightweight tackle box that includes 200 pieces of colorful and plain lures with durable wire hooks. It also comes with a high-quality carrying case for easy travel. The stylish design is perfect for adults or children, a beginner set, or extra gear for a pro. Number 9. Ugly Stik Freshwater Rod and Reel. Would you like to make your fishing trip simpler and easier with an advanced freshwater rod and reel? At that point, Ugly Stik Freshwater Rod and Reel is the best guide for you. The freshwater rod and reel from Ugly Stik offers superior components and materials that far exceed the competition. This Ugly Stik freshwater rod and reel is constructed with high-quality material that is durable and lightweight. It has a 10-size spin cast reel that is pre-spooled with an 8-pound line. The Ugly Stik freshwater casting rod comes with durable EVA handles, which provides a comfortable grip to hold this rod easily. Moreover, this combo is perfect for freshwater bass trout fishing, saltwater fishing, or inshore fishing. It's a nice gift for youths or adults who love fishing and can enjoy the weekend with family for hiking, backpacking, or traveling. Number 8. FISHOAKY Freshwater Rod and Reel. Fishing is a great opportunity for adults and kids to go outdoors and get in touch with nature. It helps to build patience, discipline, and confidence. Bring FISHOAKY Freshwater Rod and Reel to start your wonderful fishing trip. This FISHOAKY Freshwater Rod and Reel is specially made for novices, including necessary accessories for fishing. It includes a carbon fiber fishing rod, spinning fishing reel, fishing line, fishing bag, various fishing lures, baits, and fishing hooks. This telescopic fishing rod is made of high-density carbon fiber, which is durable, lightweight, and easy to carry. This combo is ultralight, portable, and easy to carry, easily fits in the car trunk, boat, or backpack. It allows you to travel to your favorite fishing spot and enjoy fishing whenever and wherever you want. This combo is perfect for freshwater bass trout fishing, saltwater fishing, or inshore fishing. It's a nice gift for youths or adults who love fishing and can enjoy the weekend with family for hiking, backpacking, or traveling. Number 7. CLORIS Freshwater Rod and Reel. Do you need the best freshwater rod and reel for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best freshwater rod and reel sitting tight for you. The CLORIS freshwater rod and reel is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This combo includes a 12-feet carbon fiber fishing rod, spinning fishing reel, fishing line, fishing bag, various fishing lures, bait, and fishing hooks. The collapsible fishing pole design with a lower friction coefficient. Its international advanced epoxy resin adhesive makes the guide ring more solid. This 12-feet telescopic fishing rod is made of high-density carbon fiber with fiberglass, which is durable, lightweight, portable, and easy to carry. This combo is equipped with high-quality fishing reels. The reel has 13+1 corrosion-resistant smooth ball bearings, precision-matched gears, and a powerful 5.5:1 gear ratio. It also has an ultra-smooth, non-slip, and more comfortable handle. It is perfect for freshwater bass trout fishing, saltwater surf fishing, or inshore fishing.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 6. Quantum Freshwater Rod and Reel. If you are interested in knowing about the best freshwater rod and reel, then look at this Quantum Freshwater Rod and Reel. This combo features an SCR aluminum body and a C4LF rotor reel. It is paired with an equally strong and durable graphite rod for peak performance that's always in its element. The Quantum Reliance fishing reel features 6 anti-corrosion bearings and an aluminum body to take on any fish in any element, equally at home in freshwater or saltwater. It comes with roller bearings that provide instant anti-reverse for immediate hook sets and super smooth performance for any application. It has a maintenance-free design that protects the reel's bearings, gears, and other critical components from water corrosion, sand, and wear. This hard-working combo comes with a lightweight and durable cork handle and stainless steel cushioned hood reel seat. It has fast action and medium power that is ideal for targeting everything from walleye to bass and more, and is designed to hold a 10-17-pound line weight. Number 5. Cadence Freshwater Rod and Reel. The Cadence products offer high-performance premium features at an unbeatable value. Fishing with quality, dependable gear should not mean breaking the bank. The Cadence believes that fishing can bring generations together in a hectic world and impart some valuable lessons along the way. This Cadence freshwater rod and reel comes mounted with a spinning reel on a rod for an incredible value and a fishing tackle that performs right out of the box. The spinning rod is constructed of 24-ton graphite. It features corrosion-resistant stainless steel guides and inserts. The CS4 reel includes a strong carbon composite frame, a comfortable oversized ergonomic EVA handle knob, with a reliable stainless steel main shaft and brass pinion gear. In addition, this combo is ideal for game fish including freshwater fish like bass, walleye, and trout, as well as popular inshore species like redfish, speckled trout, and flounder with a rinse after fishing. Number 4. Tailored Tackle Freshwater Rod and Reel. If you are looking for the best freshwater rod and reel, then look at this Tailored Tackle Freshwater Rod and Reel. This versatile multi-species combo is designed for big and small fish on the same fishing pole. It can be an ideal fishing gift for dad or the men and women in your family. This Tailored Tackle Freshwater Rod and Reel is made of high-quality material that is durable and lightweight. The medium spinning rod with enough backbone to handle big fish with popular fishing lures. It comes with a fast action tip that gives you the extreme sensitivity of luxury fishing rods. The smooth and agile 7-ball bearings reel comes with a 10-pound drag system and anti-reverse switch, which gives you the elite features of premium reels at an affordable combos price. Moreover, this combo is perfect for ponds, lakes, and rivers for bass, walleye, trout, pike, and panfish, or hit the pier and bay for red drum, snook, striped bass, and bluefish. Number 3. Daiwa Freshwater Rod and Reel. Are you searching for the best freshwater rod and reel for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best freshwater rod and reel sitting tight for you. The Daiwa Freshwater Rod and Reel is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This freshwater rod and reel makes certain to carry a grin to your face. This Daiwa freshwater rod and reel is constructed with a high-quality material that is durable and lightweight. It comes with a 1-ball bearing reel with Dig Eiger 1. The single ball bearing D-Shock combo has added to their great fish catching lineup with great actions. The reel is 1-ball bearing with reversible handles for the left or right retrieve. It is tough fiberglass with full cork grips and aluminum reel seat rings. It has 2-piece actions for easy storage and transport. Moreover, this combo allows you to travel to your favorite fishing spot and enjoy fishing whenever and wherever you want. It's the best gift to send a father, son, husband, fiancé, boyfriend for the upcoming Christmas.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Sougayilang freshwater rod and reel. If you are looking for the best freshwater rod and reel, then look at this Sougayilang freshwater rod and reel. It is one of the best freshwater rod and reel combos on the market. This combo comes with a carrier bag and necessary accessories for fishing. The rod of this combo is made of high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass that makes the rod hard and durable. Its lower friction coefficient makes it durable. And its international advanced epoxy resin adhesive makes the guide ring more solid. The reel of this combo comes with 13+1 corrosion-resistant smooth ball bearings, precision-matched gears, and a powerful 5.5:1 gear ratio. This combo offers an interchangeable right or left-hand CNC machined aluminum handle and comes with an extra exquisite aluminum spool. The EVA knob makes it non-slip and more comfortable when long-time fishing.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. PLUSINNO freshwater rod and reel. This PLUSINNO freshwater rod and reel is one of the best freshwater rod and reels. It has a graphite construction that increases its sensitivity. While corrosion is one of the problems most rods encounter, their stainless steel reel seats enable them to work well in the saltwater environment. This PLUSINNO freshwater rod and reel comes with a rod and a reel. The rod is made of high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass, which makes the fishing pole hard and durable. It is portable and the closed-length design is convenient to carry around. It features stainless steel hooded reel seats that are anti-seawater corrosion. This rod has an EVA 4 grip handle. It also has a deep aluminum spool with double color and one-line holes. Manufactured in different length sizes, you can choose the perfect size you need since tastes are different, making your fishing experience even more fulfilling. It's the best gift to send a father, son, husband, fiancé, boyfriend for the upcoming Christmas. Hope you have no doubts about the best freshwater rod and reel in the market. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a suggestion in the comment box if you think we can do better.